Hey guys, what's up? I never filmed an intro for this video, which you would have never really known if I hadn't just told you that. By the way, this outfit you've probably seen in both of my last videos because I'm filming them all at the same time right now. So, I'm not gonna change. I don't care that much, okay? I just get really offended by things that you don't actually say to me, and then I get distracted. Anyway, which video is this? Oh yes. So this is a outfits of the week video, as you can tell by the title. I filmed all these where I was at. Today is not a good day. When I was in school. And so I just like filmed them when I got up or whatever, like picked out my outfit. I just thought it'd be fun to see like what I wear to, like, I think it'd be fun for you to see what I wear to school, basically, because you're obsessed with me. I know you are. Because I usually dress up, not dress up for class, not like dress up, but I don't really wear sweats. And if I do, I look cute in them. I don't know why, I'm just a style queen, so I always look good, obviously. But I just thought this would be fun, just like a week of outfits. So that's what this is. It's just outfits of the week, college edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so this is my outfit today. I don't know why that took me so long to say. So I thrifted this sweatshirt. It just says Yellowstone on it, and then I cropped it. And I'm so happy about it actually, because I have these Brandy Melville sweatpants that I kind of find hard to style sometimes. And it literally goes perfectly with this sweatshirt. So it looks like it's like made to go together, which I love that look of like a one piece. So I think it's really cute. I just cuffed the sleeves on these because these are pretty long, and I paired it with some Air Force Ones with some little socks, and it's just really comfy and cozy but still stylish. You still look like you know what you're doing, so that's my fit for today. Okay, so this is today's outfit. It's really cold outside. It's like 20 degrees. It's supposed to snow, so I want it to be nice and toasty. So I'm wearing this sweater. It's actually like a women's double XL, and it's kind of like a dress on me. I got it at a thrift store. It's really funky. Yeah, I dig it. It's one of my favorite things to wear when it's cold outside because it's really warm. And then this jacket is from Urban Outfitters. It's just like a really big like scrunchy denim jacket, and I have little pins on it right here that you can't see because my camera's being stupid. But yeah, and then my leggings are from Target. I have on my Doc Martens and some red socks, and this is today's outfit. This is today's outfit. It's actually like midnight. I just got back from the art studio, and my final project shattered all over the ground. So it's fine. Yeah, I'm great, but literally I'm gonna drop out of college. This is my outfit though. I'm wearing this turtleneck sweater thing from Target some long time ago. I got it. And these overalls are from H&M, I think. It's really simple, but you know, whatever. And my shoes are Converse. Okay, so this is today's outfit. I'm just wearing this shirt I got from Goodwill, this turtleneck underneath it. Layering is key, guys, especially when it's 16 degrees outside. This is from Target. These jeans are also from Target, who, by the way, is really stepping up their game. Like, they have this new brand, and like I buy so much stuff from Target now, and I never bought anything from Target before. So these are just like ripped black mom jeans. This belt is from Urban Outfitters. And then I'm wearing my Doc Martens. This beanie is from Urban Outfitters. These are just my glasses. I don't know where I got them from. Vision Works. Yeah, so this is today's outfit. Just a little bit, you know, I don't even know how to describe it. It just like is the way it is, so. So this is today's outfit. It's kind of weird. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. But I'm just wearing this shirt that I just cropped actually. I feel like I should have cropped it a little bit longer because it's kind of awkward now, but it's whatever. I got it. I literally like saw it on like Pinterest or Instagram or something and ordered it offline. I don't know where it's from. I think it might be from Etsy, but it just says I love you to a certain extent and then I love you to a certain extent, deep meanings. Wow, guys. And then this shirt I'm wearing underneath is just this like thermal striped shirt and I got from Goodwill. And then this belt is from Forever 21, I think. These jeans are just Levi's and they're from Urban Outfitters and they just have white paint on them. I bought them like this. I didn't do it myself, but I do have another pair of jeans that I have paint on them that I did do myself. So, and I'm wearing my Air Force Ones because what other shoes are you gonna wear? Am I right? So yeah, this is the fit for today, and it's blurry now. Yeah. Okay, so this is today's outfit. So this shirt. It's just this like quarter sleeve, it's not tucked in, like yellow shirt that I thrifted, and then I'm wearing this vintage Levi's oversized trucker jacket, and then these white fruit pants, which I absolutely am in love with. I've been trying to figure out like how to style these for the longest time. So I really like this look. I got these off Depop. This belt's from Urban Outfitters. My shoes are Converse. It's a great day. So this is today's outfit. I'm gonna roll down my sleeves here. So really funky and fresh. I got a little light pink scrunchie in my hair. I'm wearing this striped shirt from Target that I got last night. Super cute. This is just a bright pink Harley Davidson shirt that's cropped that I got from the thrift store. It's super sick. Like one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe is this shirt because it's just like so cool. I'm wearing this belt's from Forever 21, I think. It's like really big for me, so I have to tie it up with a ponytail in the back. And these jeans are from PacSun, and then I'm wearing my Doc Martens.